Our planet is home to millions of species. But among them, some creatures seem almost unreal. Animals that can regrow their organs. Creatures that survive in outer space. Marine beings that punch with the force of a bullet. Today, we explore 10 of the most unbelievable animals on Earth. Axolotl. Deep in the lakes of Mexico lives a creature that seems to have discovered the secret to immortality. The axolotl is not just an amphibian. It is a biological miracle. Unlike most amphibians, it never fully grows up. It remains in its youthful, aquatic form for its entire life. But what truly makes the axolotl extraordinary is its power of regeneration. It can regrow lost limbs, repair its spinal cord, even regenerate parts of its heart and brain. Scientists study this creature in hopes of unlocking the secrets of human healing. In the natural world, the axolotl is as close to a real-life superhero as it gets. Platypus. If evolution had a sense of humor, it might look like the platypus. This animal has the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the body of an otter. And yet, it is a mammal. Even more surprising, it lays eggs. And the males carry venomous spurs on their hind legs. When European scientists first encountered it, many believed it was a hoax. But the platypus is very real. And proof that nature does not follow simple rules. Tardigrade. Invisible to the naked eye, the tardigrade may be the toughest creature on Earth. Also known as the water bear, this microscopic animal can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions become too harsh, it enters a state called cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down its body until the environment becomes safe again. In a way, the tardigrade doesn't just survive disaster. It waits it out. Mantis shrimp. Beneath tropical waters lives one of the ocean's most powerful predators. The mantis shrimp may be small, but its strike is legendary. It punches with such speed that it creates a shockwave strong enough to break shells, and even crack aquarium glass. Its eyes are even more impressive. While humans see 3 primary colors, mantis shrimp can detect a far broader spectrum, including ultraviolet light. To them, the ocean may look far more colorful than we can ever imagine. Narwhal. In the icy Arctic seas swims one of the most mysterious marine mammals, the narwhal. Often called the unicorn of the sea. Its long spiral tusk can grow up to 3 meters. But this tusk is not a horn. It is a tooth. Scientists believe it may be used for sensing environmental changes or social interaction. For centuries, narwhal tusks were believed to be magical. In truth, they are simply another reminder that nature is capable of fantasy-level design. Shoebill. Standing silently in African wetlands, the shoebill looks like a bird from another era. Its massive, shoe-shaped beak gives it a prehistoric appearance. It can remain perfectly still for long periods, waiting patiently before striking its prey with lightning speed. With its intense stare and towering presence, the shoebill feels less like a bird, and more like a relic from the age of dinosaurs. Blue dragon sea slug. Floating upside down on the ocean surface is a creature that looks almost mythical. The blue dragon sea slug is small, delicate, and brilliantly colored. But do not be deceived. It feeds on venomous jellyfish and stores their toxins inside its own body. When threatened, it can release that venom as its own defense. Beautiful, tiny, and surprisingly dangerous. Away. Hidden in the forests of Madagascar lives one of the strangest primates alive. The eye has large reflective eyes and an extremely long, thin middle finger. It taps on tree bark to locate insects, then uses that finger to extract its prey. This unusual hunting technique makes it one of the most specialized mammals on Earth. In some local legends, it is seen as a symbol of bad luck. But in reality, it is simply a masterpiece of adaptation. Leafy sea dragon. Drifting among seaweed forests is a creature that seems more plant than animal. The leafy sea dragon has elaborate leaf-like appendages that allow it to blend perfectly into its surroundings. Unlike many species, it is the male that carries and protects the eggs. Graceful and almost invisible, this animal is camouflage perfected. Pistol shrimp. Finally, we meet one of the smallest, yet loudest, animals in the ocean. The pistol shrimp snaps its claw so rapidly that it creates a collapsing bubble. This bubble generates a shock wave and a sound reaching up to 200 decibels. For a brief moment, the temperature inside the bubble rivals that of the sun's surface. All from a creature just a few centimeters long. From immortal salamanders to microscopic survivors of space. From unicorn-like whales to shrimp that fire underwater shockwaves. Earth is not just home to life. It is home to wonder. And we have only discovered a fraction of what still hides in the wild.